Print on demand is evolving fast in 2026. Most entrepreneurs miss the AI tools that automate design, marketing, and fulfillment. Here's exactly what you need to know to stay competitive. Print on demand remains a 8B+ industry because it requires zero inventory upfront. In 2026, AI integration transforms ROI dramatically. Smart business owners use AI to design products 10x faster, target customers with precision, and automate customer service. This isn't speculative, it's happening now. 3 AI tools dominate 2026. Generative design platforms create unique product mockups instantly. Predictive analytics identify trending designs before competitors, and chatbots handle customer inquiries 24/7. The key differentiator is automation. Use AI to write product descriptions, generate marketing copy, and optimize pricing automatically. Set up workflows that handle design variations, inventory management, and customer retention emails without manual intervention. This approach lets solo operators manage 500+ products efficiently. Start today, choose a POD platform, integrate one AI design tool, and automate your email marketing. Test with 20 designs using AI-generated variations. Track performance metrics, conversion rates, profit per product, time invested. Scale what works. This framework works for any niche. Subscribe now for more AI business strategies and hit like to support practical guides like this.